Now, I have my document here in my folder, which is an English translation of the catalogue of ships from the Iliad. And one of the things that you may want to do beforehand in order to streamline the operation of manually marking up all of the references to places and people in your document is to run a little named entity recognition on your file. Now, if you're working with a language like English, this is going to be particularly useful, especially if you're working with documents that are particularly long. So everything that you have to do in order to access the named entity recognition function in Recogito is to click on the file once. And as you can see, the little options button is going to materialize in the upper right corner. I'm just going to click on that. And here is the named entity recognition option. Recogito is going to ask you which recognition engine you want to use in order to run this feature. And as you can see, there are language labels here that will help you choose the most appropriate engine for your case. So I'm working with an English translation, so I'm just going to select the classic Stanford Core NLP. And another thing that you may want to do is to select a particular set of gazetteers or authority files against which Recogito should match the recognized entities, either places or people. You can either leave this box checked, and so you're going to have all of the gazetteers run against your document, or you may want to uncheck this box and manually uncheck the documents, the authority files that you do not want in your recognition. So in my case, for example, I want to deactivate a few of these, and then we just start the named entity recognition. And what Recogito is going to do is give you this little progress bar right here that indicates how much time is left and what is the status of the operation, although for relatively short documents, this shouldn't take more than a couple of seconds. As you can see, my operation is already finished. So let's have a look at the document. And here it is. So not all of them, but most of the references to people and to places have been automatically recognized, and some of them are also going to be able to be matched against a gazetteer entry. I will still need to confirm the matches and to validate the options that have been selected by Recogito automatically. And some of these are, of course, not going to be correct or not even available. But in the majority of cases, this is a very nice advanced feature that will help you make things a little bit simpler if you're working with particularly long files.